What's up, guys? Stas here. So I wanted to hop on and share with you all how much money I've made from dividends in my stock market portfolio here on M1 Finance, which is currently sitting at $12,400. And if you guys didn't know, I started this portfolio strictly for the YouTube channel almost 2 years ago, back in July of 2019. So I want to share with you guys again exactly how much I've made so far in almost 2 years and how the dividends have grown over time. And this goes to show, if you're diligent, if you're investing for the long term, and you have a 5, 10 plus year outlook, which I do with this portfolio, there's going to be some magic that occurs, and that magic is compound interest. So let's get into it. Right here, you guys can see again my M1 Finance portfolio, and I'm not going to go over my holdings. You guys have seen these before. Go check out the playlist down below where I go over everything. There's about 40 episodes in that playlist from how I got it from $0, this portfolio, all the way to $12,400. And this is a quick glance of what I'm holding right now, about 15 stocks. And again, go check out that portfolio, link down below the playlist to the whole portfolio. And you guys can see here on my Excel spreadsheet, this is what you clicked on the video for. Let's talk about this stuff. And this makes me extremely excited. And you guys can see right here on the left side, you have the date and the dividend amount. And dividend amount means how much I made in that particular month. And you can see, yeah, this portfolio's been around for almost 2 years. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way from July all the way to about March, July 2019 to March 2021. That's about 20 months of dividends that we've made here. And you can see in 2019, we were making about 30 cents, 88 cents, $1.08, $1.11, across these different months. December 2019, I had a big month, $4. That was the best month of 2019. And then 2020 rolled around and we made $2.57. When was this? On January, 2020, made about $3 in February. In March, we saw a big spike to $9.59 for dividends. Then we saw a drop to about $5.88 in April, about $5.57 in May. And then we had the best day, or shall I say month, ever in June 2020, made about $15 in June 2020 from dividends, made about $8 in July. And you guys can just see the trend. You can see it for yourselves, how it has grown over time. This is what you want to see, not only for your capital appreciation over time, and that means, the price the stock is, right? You want to see that go up over time. That is ideal. And you also want to see, if the stock pays dividends, that is, you want to see those dividends go up over time. And like I mentioned, if you're diligent, if you're investing every month, every week, bi-weekly, however you do it, as long as you're consistent, which I am with this portfolio, you're going to see that growth over time as you're adding more money into the portfolio, because obviously as you add more money, you buy more shares, you're going to obviously make more dividend income. And over time, this just compiles, it compounds, and it compounds even quicker if you reinvest the dividends, which is obviously what I'm doing. I'm not taking this money out. I'm just buying more and more and more stocks with this money. So yeah, about $17 in September 2020, which was just a couple months ago, right? About 6 months ago. Then October 2020, we made about $7. And then we saw, look at this spike from November to December 2020. Now we're talking, guys, we jumped from $7 to about $13, $14 in November. And then in December, we had a record month. I made $30 in dividends in this M1 portfolio. And then 2020 rolled around. We made $12 in January. February, we made $17 in this portfolio. And then March, this month, right now, which is over in 2 days, we made $31 so far. I believe I got about 8 dividend payments this month, and this is a record month, $31 in pure true passive income. A lot of people throw the word passive income around there pretty loosely, in my opinion, because a lot of people say YouTube's passive income. Oh, this business is passive income. But the truth is, YouTube is not passive income. There's a lot of work that goes into YouTube. Real estate, you could argue, isn't passive income either. I mean, listen, guys, it is. I mean, it is. Once you have everything running up, let's say you have a property manager or whatever, it's pretty passive, but getting the property, renovating it, getting a tenant, doing all that stuff, it's not really passive. In my opinion, it is passive once you get everything set up, like I said. But in my opinion, the most pure passive income is going into a brokerage account, whether it's M1 Finance, which is what I built this portfolio on. And by the way, you guys can get $30 free, link down below. All you have to do is use my link, deposit an amount of money, any amount of money, and you get $30 from this brokerage. I also do, because it is an affiliate link. Whether you use M1 Finance, Fidelity, whatever you use, it's as simple as going into this brokerage, picking a stock, and hitting one button. You hit buy, and then all of a sudden, if the stock pays dividends, you are now receiving payments monthly, quarterly, or sometimes once a year, twice a year. It depends on the company. But that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to make passive income, one hit of a button, and that's all you have to do. That is the easiest, again, most pure, the easiest way, in my opinion, to make passive income. And this is proof. This is proof that it works. And you have to pick good companies. You can't pick crappy stocks that pay 30% dividend, because that just doesn't add up. Some of these companies that pay a massive dividend yield or a massive amount of dividends, and they're not the healthiest company. I mean, look, guys, that is not something I would invest in. All my stocks I'm very confident in. They're strong dividend payers. They grow their dividend. And that is why we've been doing well when it comes to dividends over time. And it's not going to hit a record every single month, but we hit records when it comes to the dividend payments every couple months. And that's because, again, I'm adding more money every single month. So this is what you want to see when it comes to your dividend payments, your price appreciation over time. You want that thing to tick up. And yes, there's going to be bumps in the road. There's peaks, there's valleys. But as long as we're trending upwards over time, which this is about a 2-year chart of my dividend payments, it's good. That's a good sign. And overall, look at this. In 2019, can you guys see this? Let me make sure. Yeah, you guys can see it. Look at the bottom here. 2019, I made $7.60, a pure $7.60 in dividends, right? Not much at all. But in 2020, I made $130. So that jumped a ton. And by the way, guys, 2019, that's not the best number to look at, because I only had the portfolio for a couple of months in 2019. But yeah, either way, $7.60 in 2019. All of 2020, 12 months, we made about $130. So that's about $10 a month in dividends in 2020. And in 2021 so far, the first 3 months, made about $61. That's $20 a month. So you guys see the rate of how much I'm making per month. It's going up. In 2020, made $10 a month. Now we're averaging $20 a month. And by the end of this year, I'm guessing we're going to have made about $300 in dividends, roughly. And again, I'm going to be adding more and more money into this, reinvesting. So it could be anywhere from $300 in dividends, $400 in dividends. So yeah, guys, that is how much I make right now when it comes to a $12,500 stock market portfolio in 2021. And I'd love to know what you guys are doing. This is my journey in this particular portfolio. My goal overall is to get it up to a 6-figure portfolio. I'd love to make a couple $1,000s a year off of dividends with this account, and that's the goal. And if you guys do want to see that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because that's where we're going. I mean, we're at $12,000. we're not going backwards. I'll tell you that. We're going forwards. 100,000 bucks, 50,000. Those are the next big milestones. So let's get after it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to go down below and get yourself $30 free from M1 Finance. Again, all you have to do is use my link, deposit any amount of money. We each get $30 free. And you guys can check out the free Strive Smart Discord chat, link down below. We have about 4,000 people in there. And you guys can see and check out, if you want to, my Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts, call-outs, morning update videos, more access to what I'm doing in terms of numbers like this, investments I'm looking at. So check out that Patreon link down below. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, keep crushing the markets, guys. Stay safe out there. Again, thanks for watching. Peace out.